Good morning. Today we'll see the working of an adder subtractor circuit. An adder subtractor performs the function of both addition and subtraction, and the circuit diagram is shown here. If you want to add two 8-bit numbers A and B, then 8 controlled inverters and 8 full adders are used. One input of the controlled inverter is the second number B, and another inputs of all the controlled inverters are connected and given sub. Whenever sub is low, the inputs to the exclusive OR gates B0 to B7 are just passed by the exclusive OR gates to the full adder, and whenever sub is high, the complement of B0 to B7 are given to the output of the controlled inverters to the full adder. The output of each exclusive OR gate is given to each full adder. The other input of the full adder is given A0 to A7. The third input is sub. The third input to the full adder is sub. So, each full adder is given 3 inputs. One input is from the output of the exclusive OR gate. One input is directly given. Then to the first full adder, sub is given as the third input, and for the second full adder, the carry out of first full adder is given as input. For the third full adder, the carry out of second full adder is given as input, and so on. From the last full adder, carry is taken out. Now, in order to perform addition, the sub is given low voltage, or sub is 0. When sub is 0, B0 to B7 are passed by the exclusive OR gates, and so the full adder adds A and B. When sub is high, B7 to B0 are complemented by exclusive OR gates, and the full adder adds B bar with A. Since the ones complement of B is added with the sub 1, it's like having 2's complement of B. Whenever we want to add a positive number with the negative number, the negative number is found by finding the 2's complement of its positive number. 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement of the given number, and you are adding 1 with that 1's complement. So here the 2's complement is found by inverting the number B0 to B7 by the controlled inverter, that is by exclusive OR gate, and then adding 1, that is sub 1, with the 1's complement. So it's like having 2's complement of B. When you add 2's complement of B with A, it's like performing subtraction A minus B. So whenever sub is high, we are finding the subtraction, that is A minus B. Whenever sub is low, we are adding the two numbers A and B. So the same circuit functions as adder and subtractor. Now, this is the chip which shows adder subtractor. The chip number is 7483. It can add or subtract 8 bits. The first number is A. The 8 bits are A0 to A7. The second number is B, which has 8 bits from B0 to B7. Whenever sub is low, the circuit functions as an adder which adds A and B. Whenever sub is high, the circuit functions as subtractor which performs A minus B. Thus, an adder subtractor functions as adder or subtractor. Thank you.